Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, how you are doing? I believe you are doing so fine. As for me, I'm doing good, and I thank God for you. I thank God for me. So if you are new here for the first time, you are so welcome. I really appreciate you. So for those that don't know yet, I am Pamela. That is my name. You can call me Pamela, okay? Anytime. So you are welcome. In this channel, I share spiritual tips that will help your life, that will liberate, that will purify, that will cleanse, that will, that will protect. So everything is about spiritual, and I do remedies as well. Natural way to take care of yourself. You can check my channel. You see many of them. Okay. So if you love any of that, if it sounds good, subscribe. Hit the red subscribe button. Turn on the bell. Yes, there's a bell beside the subscribe button, so that anytime I upload videos, you get notified and come and watch. Thank you. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about how to use this oil. So here is a red oil. This red oil is for cooking. It's from palm tree. Yeah, actually from palm nuts. It has health benefits. Yes, we use it to cook, and it has spiritual benefits. The spiritual benefit is what we're going to be doing today, and it's awesome. You have to get paper, a plain paper, or if you have charcoal, okay? Yes, if you have charcoal, you can make use of charcoal. Charcoal, you have to crush it into a powder form. The major thing is ash. You are going to use palm oil, yes, a red oil, or you make use of ash gotten from firewood. It can be gotten from any source, any good source. You can also use paper, burn it to generate ash. You have to get your pen, your writing pen, because we need it. It can be any color, okay? Yes, any color of pen. You have to use matchstick or a lighter. For those that don't have ash, they don't have charcoal, you just have to burn it to generate ash. So all these are very important. Mostly the palm oil, it has lots of benefits, like so effective. So this is what we are going to do. So I don't have any ash and I don't have charcoal. I'm doing this for those that don't have ash, because if I make use of ash now or charcoal, people will be saying, how can I get ash? If I use charcoal now, people will say, how can they get charcoal? For those that don't live in Africa, most people, they can't get charcoal. But charcoal is actually from firewood, okay? It can be mostly from firewood. And ash, you can get ash from any source, as I said. This is the easiest way to get your ash, to liberate yourself from spells. Maybe people cast a spell on you, or maybe your former relationship, maybe your spouse or whatever, or maybe someone you don't love cast a spell on you, by force love, that kind of thing, by force. You can liberate yourself with this. But first thing you have to know, you have to apply faith. Believe that it's going to work and it will come to pass. Work without faith is dead, and so faith without work is dead. We're also going to be involving prayer, because you need God to pass through this work to make it effective. So if you have charcoal, you have to skip this process. Okay, if you have charcoal, you have ash, you have to skip this process. So we are just going to generate ash. You write your name, okay, your name first. Let's say Pamela, okay. Then you write your mother's name. Yes, mother's name is important. You write it. You write your father's name, okay. If you are married, if you are a woman and you are married, you don't need your husband's name. What you need is your father's name and your mother's name. Okay, so you write your name first, write your mother's name and your father's name. So after doing it, then you have to say some prayers. say some prayers that you want to be liberated from this curse. If you are not a Christian, pray the way you can pray. After praying, you just have to fold it. You can get as much as more paper as you can get, as much as you can get. You burn it. You just have to be careful. Make sure everything burns. When you are finished burning it, gather all the ashes. Make sure it burns down to ashes, okay? Then allow it to cool down. Gather the ash. So after gathering the ash, you have to add some amount of this in a plate. Please, you have to pay attention. Add it, just a little of the red oil into a plate. Then you now take the ash, mix it into the red oil. Mix it very well. I will have demonstrated, but I believe that I'm saying it right now. I know you will understand. If you have charcoal, you don't need to use paper. You don't need to use paper. So what you have to do, if you have charcoal, the powdered one, you have to call your name, your mother's name, your father's name, then you pray. After praying, you mix it with the oil. Make sure you mix it very well. Mix it very well. If you have ash from firewood, from any other place, you mix it, call your name, your mother's name, your father's name. Mix it with the red oil. It can be a little amount of red oil. But you have to know that you will store it in a container. So you can decide to add half of this or everything. Or you can decide to add just small amounts of this. This is very good. It's used for cooking. You can also use it for skin treatment. I always add it to my black soap. I make my black soap myself. It's very good. It helps to purify my skin, and I add palm oil a lot because it's so cleansing. This is very healthy. It's not bad. I use it in cooking, making soup. I love using it to eat yam a lot. Yes. White yam. So it's very good. So this is so effective. Like, it cleanses, it removes bad energy, it removes spells cast by anybody on you. If it's a spell of poverty, a spell of doing whatever thing they ask you to do. Most people, they are being controlled. They don't know what is wrong with them. They don't know what is wrong with them. People will just cast a spell on them to be like, do as I want, or do as I want, that kind of thing. Most people, they are being controlled. They will just cast a spell, you must love me, that kind of thing. So this work will help you greatly. If you do it, apply faith, and it must surely be a blessing to you. Or if someone casts a spell on you just for you to be spending on them, they may not love you, but they want you to be spending anything they want you. Be it any kind of spell. It may be spell of poverty, spell of madness. It may be any kind of madness. It may be any kind of spell. So you just have to be serious with this. When you are mixing it, So for now, I just showed you how to use paper. How to use paper. Okay, just write your name. Yes. Okay. In this way of using paper to generate ash, it won't leak it. But if you are going to be using normal charcoal, the black one, you can also, after mixing it, you lick it. This one is going to work inside to remove every poison. Palm oil helps to remove poison. Okay, it can cleanse, like purify the system, to remove waste, to remove poison. It is very neutralizing, very, very neutralizing. Okay, it neutralizes any chemical, neutralizes any poison. For example, if you took medicine, drug, or overdose, you can actually drink this and it will neutralize it and reduce the side effects or reduce what danger it may cause to you. Also with poison, any kind of poison, if it's spiritual poison, you have to include prayer. pray, then you drink it. So this process, it can also give it to someone. Okay, so what red oil does is so many. It neutralizes, it cleanses. So for the ash purifies, it cleanses as well, and destroys spells very fast. So you have to mix it with the ash. If it's charcoal you are going to use, mix it very well and be licking it. Say what you want, destroy anything you want to destroy, that as you are licking this, that no spell will work on you. That if there's anybody that has cast spell on you, that you destroy it by the power and the blood of Jesus. You destroy it by the power and the blood of Jesus. Just continue praying and be licking it. Another way to make use of this after mixing it is by applying it on your body. Apply it all over your body, starting from your face, you know. So that is why you should mix a large amount of this. Apply all over your body after mixing it with the ash. Remember, if you are going to be generating ash from paper, you have to burn it, allow it to cool, and that is your ash. That kind of ash, you are not going to lick it. So that is for those that cannot get ash. But if you can get ash, perfect. So apply it all over. As you're applying it, just the way you apply cream, just rub the oil all over your body, everywhere, starting from your face. If you can start from your head, fine. Just start from your face, your forehead. Apply it all over generously, you know, to your toes as well. After doing so, wait for some time, like 5 minutes. Then you go to the bathroom. Use your sponge, your soap, wash it off. As you're washing it off, you'll be praying. You can use your spiritual soap. You can use any kind of soap, okay? Use it to bathe. Just cleanse out all those spells. You have to repeat this the first day, the second day, third day, 3 days. You have to do this only at night. Only at night, okay? Yes, this cleansing is done only at night. That is because you have to pray with it. Apply it. Apply it all over your body. You can do it from 12 a.m., 1 a.m., 2 a.m., 3 a.m. So during this time, it's just the best to communicate with God and cleanse yourself. It's not as if normal prayer will not work, but if you have been praying normally, fasting, without things working well, you can use those things, natural things, to make it, those things that can draw good energy to you, that can remove bad energy. You can use it to pray, and you see your prayers fast. So just apply it all over your body. Go to the bathroom in the midnight. At night, use your normal soap, or you can use your spiritual, soap. You bathe yourself, remove all those oil from your body, and repeat it the next night, the third night, 3 nights, and you'll be liberated from every spells and curses. Yes, by the grace of God, you'll be liberated. And this is the way to remove those things cast by the evil ones, cast by, former relationships, people that are not happy with you, or people that want to take advantage of your money, or take advantage of your love. For those that refuse to give love to someone, but they want to take it forcefully, they want you to love them by force, you can use this to remove it without the person knowing. You may not know the person that has cast spell on you. You don't need to know. You just have to be doing this for your own benefits. This red oil, you can get it from anywhere. This is for cooking. It's just like using onion, using olive oil, but we are using this because it has the ability to neutralize every poison, every spell in you. So that is how to cleanse yourself, to get rid of curses and spells, and you stop behaving abnormally. Because when someone casts a spell on you, you can never behave normal. You'll be behaving unnatural. Okay? Unnatural. So you can also use this to destroy everything that the enemy is trying to plan on you. Okay? So just do it for 3 nights, and you see everything working for you by the grace of God. Thank you so much for watching. You will surely be blessed. If you have not subscribed, please kindly do so. Remember to subscribe and also turn on the bell, okay? Because that is what will make you to get notified whenever I upload videos like this. I am Pamela. Thank you so much, and remain blessed and safe until my next video. Bye.